Hi, this is Rob at CPR Dover. We love this guard because it really lets us provide the protection that we need for you and for you to us. The slide through really gives us a lot of functionality, lets us check out your phone without, and really keeping your best interest in mind. We know that people don't necessarily have the cleanest things with phones, so it lets us be able to keep our workers safe, keep you safe, and protected from all these nasty stuff out here. So great peace of mind. It's very portable, very light. This is an awesome idea, and we're happy to have it here to help you.